today we are going to Diwar Island. There we are going to explore, and right now we are at Penjim Bridge. So it's 7 in the morning, and we have almost done 10 to 12 kilometers. So now we are going through Old Goa Road. There we are going to take ferry. Halfway done. Right now we are at Old Goa, and we have done almost 22 kilometers. Here you can see this is the Old Goa church, and from here we have to take the left turn, and from there we have to take the Diwar ferry. So right now we are going to stay over here for some time, and then we will leave. By the way, this is Jayant. He has a channel on YouTube, Techie Jayant. You all must be knowing that. So do subscribe to his channel. So right now we are here at ferry port, and there the ferry has come. So we are going to take that ferry. So right now we have entered Diwar Island, and right now we don't have any plans. Basically we don't know anything about this place, so we are going to explore over here. What a beautiful place, Diwar. If you are coming for cycling and all, please definitely do visit Diwar. Very beautiful place. Wow, what a beautiful place. I don't know where we are, but definitely a beautiful place, and the view here is great. Let me show you the view. Look at this. This is a graveyard. See the church. So we are leaving from this place, and we are going to a place called Porne Tirth. Let's see what is there. We are just 1.3 kilometers before that Porne Tirth, and I think that place is going to be awesome. Let's see how it goes. We have reached here at Porne Tirth. So this is the place behind me. Uh, Actually, the place is not that awesome and what I had expected, but yeah, it's okay. Some history kind of thing, and here there is some board where they have written about the history. This is it. If you all want to read, then please take a screenshot or pause the video. So on that board they have written that this was the temple of Saptakoteshwar, and these are some of the ruins of the temple, and there I can see some structure. And due to monsoon season, this place is flooded with water. This is the first time I am seeing a boat so close, going so close to me. It's a very big boat. What do you say, Jan?
So it's very heavy.
Maybe
As
they
I'm
are
saying.
carrying some ore.
But it's quite big.
Yeah,
I've never seen such big boats.
quite interesting place. This is a temple, and here there is a shivling inside, and it's a very cool place. Nice place to relax. It's a good place for doing meditation and all. If you are coming to Diwar, definitely come here. If you all want to come to this place, I will put the link of this, meaning the location of this place, in my description box below. You might definitely check that out. And now we are leaving from this place, and mostly we will go to Sharao Island. Right now we have reached at the end of Diwar Island, and from here we are going to take the ferry to Chodna, that is Sharao Island. And from Sharao we are going to Salim Ali, and from there we will be going to Panjim and then back to home. So let's see how the plan works. From Diwar, we took ferry to Salim Ali Bird Sanctuary. We went there through Chodna, that is Sharao Island, and there was nothing much to explore at Salim Ali, not entertaining, And so from there, from Salim Ali, there is a ferry to Raibandar. So we took that, and we came directly to home via Panjim. So overall, it was a great ride.